Tired of your ISP snooping on your browsing? Switch to Cloudflare DNS in 2 minutes and get faster, private internet. Think about it. Every time you type a website name, your internet provider can see exactly where you're going. They can log it, sell it, or even slow down certain sites. But when you switch to Cloudflare DNS, that all changes. Your browsing becomes faster and a whole lot more private. And the best part? This tutorial from RenderTest is going to walk you through every single click, so you can do it right now. So here's the plan. I'm going to show you exactly where to click inside Windows 11 settings to change your DNS to Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1. It's a quick process, painless, and once you're done, it just works in the background forever. Let's start by clicking the Start button. That's the little Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Go ahead and give that a click. Then open Settings. You'll see the gear icon pop up right there in the Start menu. Just click on it. Now click on Network and Internet. This is where Windows keeps all the controls for your Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections. It's on the left-hand side of the settings window. Next up, look for your Wi-Fi network. You should see it listed with its name. Right underneath that, click the Properties button. This is where all the details for your specific connection live. So now we're inside your Wi-Fi properties. Scroll down a little bit until you find something called DNS Server Assignment. You'll see that it's probably set to automatic right now, which means your ISP is handling everything. We're going to change that. So click the Edit button next to it. A small window will pop up. Click on the drop-down menu that says Automatic and change it to Manual. This is the moment where you're taking control. Now, turn on the toggle switch for IPv4. That's the protocol that pretty much every website uses today. Flip that switch so it turns blue. All right, here's the really important part. We get to actually enter the Cloudflare DNS addresses. In the field that says Preferred DNS, type in 1.1.1.1. Then, in the field below that says Alternate DNS, type in 1.0.0.1. Make sure you get those dots in the right spots. It's easy to accidentally type a comma or a space, so double-check those numbers. Cloudflare's system has been tested and carefully set up for reliability, and this is the same configuration that RenderTest relies on to make sure your connection is both fast and private. Finally, click the Save button. That's it. The change applies immediately in most cases. Your computer will now start using Cloudflare DNS for every website you visit, and you're done. In just a couple of minutes, you've gone from having your ISP potentially tracking every site you visit to enjoying faster, more private browsing. Cloudflare DNS is not only speedier in many cases, but it also means your browsing data isn't being collected and sold. That's a pretty good feeling, right? If you found this helpful, give the video a like and consider subscribing for more straightforward tech guides from RenderTest. Thanks for watching.